In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate DM sending on Instagram using GoHighLevel, which is an excellent tool for managing and automating various business processes. This can be especially useful for businesses looking to enhance customer interaction without having to manage each conversation manually. We'll walk through a step-by-step guide to setting up this automation, ensuring that you're reaching your audience effectively and efficiently. Let's start by diving into the GoHighLevel environment. First, navigate to the Settings section. Here you'll find an option labeled Integrations. This is where you can connect your Facebook account, which is a necessary step since Instagram is a part of Meta, formerly known as Facebook. Once you're in the Integration section, connect your Facebook account by following the prompts. It's crucial that you select the correct Instagram business account to ensure you're linking the right profile. The next step is to grant Messenger permissions, allowing GoHighLevel to manage your messaging activities. This ensures your direct messages can be automated in a seamless manner. If you ever need more detailed instructions, GoHighLevel provides comprehensive social planner and messaging documentation, which can be your go-to resource. Now that we're set up in GoHighLevel, let's move over to Meta's interface, where we can finalize our setup. Begin by opening Facebook page settings, where you'll see an option for linked accounts. This is where you will connect your Instagram account. Once connected, make sure to enable messaging access. This permission is crucial to allow GoHighLevel to handle Instagram messages effectively. Should you need help here, Meta offers thorough documentation on the Instagram messaging API, which can provide deeper insights into this setup. With the foundational connectivity in place, let's focus on setting up keyword-based automation, one of the most common methods for businesses aiming to streamline their customer interaction. Imagine a scenario where a potential customer sends a message containing a specific keyword, such as price. To handle this efficiently, we're going to create a workflow in GoHighLevel. Begin by navigating to the Automation section and then selecting Workflows. Here, you'll want to create a new workflow by setting the trigger as Customer Replied and adding a filter for Instagram. It's important to add a condition that identifies the keyword in the message. Once that's set, you can add a sequence of actions. For instance, when a user messages with the keyword price, your automation can be configured to automatically send them a DM response like, "Thanks for your interest, here's our pricing." Additionally, you can add a tag for organization, notify your sales team for further follow-up, and even create an opportunity in your sales pipeline. Lastly, the system can automatically send a follow-up message 1 hour later, ensuring the conversation stays active and engaging. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to automating Instagram DMs using GoHighLevel. By setting up these workflows, you'll be positioned to handle inquiries efficiently, saving time while maintaining strong customer engagement. Happy automating!